in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your display scaling on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. Select the system item on the left panel here, and then select displays on the right side should be the top option. And then going underneath scale and layout, you can select the drop down underneath change the size of text, apps, and other items. Clicking that drop down, you can select 125%, 150%, or 100%. If you select the little arrow to the right, that opens up a new window in which you can enter in a custom scaling value here. Select the check mark to confirm that value, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.